Despite 2 months of tough restrictions, the daily case numbers in Auckland have increased unabatedly, pressing the local authorities to engage in a brassy Super Saturday campaign to expand vaccination coverage as much as possible. To absorb and enlarge attendance, the local authorities even orchestrated street dancing, various art performances, and delicacies for attendees in the vaccination campaign on the highly anticipated Super Saturday event, which has effectively aroused greater awareness and attention of the local residents.
We are so happy to do that, just to protect our family, also our children, and the community.
However, New Zealand's vaccination rate is still behind many countries. 63% of the eligible population are now fully vaccinated, but another 16% remains unvaccinated. So the government announced a major push to boost numbers. The biggest concern is among ethnic communities in South Auckland, where COVID-19 is spreading despite a strict 2-month lockdown.
Delta has increased in our communities. Now Māori at 50% of the new Delta cases, so we've got to get our whānau vaccinated. The health and well-being of our people is paramount, so we need to do whatever it takes to get us there.
Because many people distrust mainstream medical facilities, traditional meeting houses have become vaccination centers with the added incentive of free blood. Super Saturday also saw Air New Zealand convert a Boeing Dreamliner into a vaccination center, where 300 people could board an international aircraft even if they couldn't fly.
It's exciting. It's a really fun idea to do.
The nation needs more people being vaccinated, and the more we can get vaccinated, the quicker we're going to be able to open the border.
Modeling experts have warned the government that thousands of people could die from COVID-19 every year unless the vaccination rate gets above 90% before restrictions are lifted. But even if the 90% milestone is reached, the Ministry of Health expects that thousands will still get infected every week once the virus spreads throughout the community. Ironically, the people who are most vulnerable likely to get sick from COVID-19 are also less likely to trust the vaccine.
It's been difficult because of the conspiracy theorists and because of those that are against vaccine and all that.
Nevertheless, Super Saturday was a huge success with record numbers coming for vaccinations and free food. With the 90% target now in reach, lockdown Aucklanders might get their freedom back before Christmas.